Okay, so now we're at the back of the bus. We're going to treat the back just like we did the front. We're going to step away. We're going to look at the levelness of the bus to make sure it's set and level, because if it wasn't, that could tell us we have a low tire, broken leaf spring, or a bad shock. And we're also going to be, at this point, looking underneath the bus. We're going to be checking for anything that could be hanging down. We're going to be looking at our rear shocks to make sure they're secure, not damaged, broke, missing, or leaking. And we're going to be checking our rear end to make sure it's secure and there's no leaks coming from the rear end. At this point, we're going to start at the very top of the bus and do our sweep all the way down. So at this point, we're checking our 3 clearance lights. They're red in color now, since we're at the back of the bus, that they are there, good and secure, not broke, damaged, or missing. Coming down, we're checking the school bus lettering to make sure it's there, it's not missing, broke, tore, or damaged. Then we're coming down to our 8 ways. The inner are amber in color, the outer are red in color, that they are there, not broke, not damaged, missing, and secure. Going down to the outer 2 clearance lights, red in color, they're there, not broke, damaged, missing, and secure. We're looking at our emergency door. The emergency door is there. It's properly labeled with emergency door, that it's not broke, damaged, missing. Then we're coming down to the window sills. The window sills are there. They're not broke, damaged, missing, tore, no damage in any way. Then we're looking at our rear windows. The rear windows are there. They're not broke, damaged, missing. They are clean, AS2 in the type of safety glass. Then we would open the door to make sure the door opens. And the door operates correctly. So when it's fully open, it will not shut. In case of a rollover, how you shut it, you push it back and slide it. So the door operates correctly and smoothly. Then we're making sure the door is labeled correctly for the state of Missouri, which says state law stop while bus is loading and unloading. It has to say that. Okay, then we're coming to our turn signals. Amber on each side. They're there, they're not broke, not damaged, not missing, and secure. We have 4 brake lights here, that they are red in color, not broke, not damaged, not missing, and secure. Then we go to our 2 backup lights, which are clear in color, which they are there, not broke, not damaged, and secure. Coming down to our 2 reflectors, red in color, they're there, not broke, not damaged, and secure. Going to our license plate matches the front as we checked when we started, and it's there and it's secure. Coming to all the reflective tape around the bus on the rear. It's there, it's not torn, it's not damaged or missing. Coming down to our rear bumper is there, it's secure. We can tell by there's no rust or shininess on the rear bumper. Coming down to my tailpipe is there, no more than 1 inch out, and that looks correct, so it's no damage, and it's like we checked before, and no black soot all the way to the back. That is the rear of the bus. On the driver's side, we're going to check everything on this side the same as we did the other side, with the exception of, and we only have to tell them what's different, we don't have to do everything else. So we're going to talk about the stop sign. Stop sign is red in color, it says stop, and that the lenses are red in color and they are not cracked, and it's secure. From there, we'll open up our electrical panel. The electrical panel is here. We see no burnt ends in there, and they are circuit breakers. That's all we have to say on that. Then we're going to open up our battery box. The battery box door is secure. It's not damaged. We're going to be looking at our batteries. The batteries are there. They are secure. They are maintenance-free batteries, which tells us we do not have to check the water level. If they was not maintenance-free, we'd have to check the water level. And the last thing we check on them, we're checking the cables, the battery cables, to make sure they are there and secure and they're not loose. We could tell if they was loose because they would have corrosion on them. And that is it.